morning, CDO. My name is Boya from Central Marketing. We are the long-standing PR agency and partner with BBW. We are super excited to be back and thrilled to be back here again. We kicked off 2024 with CDO. And most of you, as you guys have said, it's good to see a lot of familiar faces again. Didn't know that we're going to be back. We're super excited to be back here to close off the year with arguably the best city in the Philippines, right?
Yeah.
Yes, exactly, right? Thank you guys so much for coming out and supporting us this morning on a quick Thursday. Okay, we know it was last minute. It was a very last minute decision as we decided to come here. We're still setting up inside as well, so please bear with us. But you guys, as always, as our VIPs, get first look and first pick of all the books as they continue to come up, okay? This is the perfect opportunity for all of you guys. Leading into the holidays, what better way to share and gift the gift of knowledge than to purchase books and share and give those to everyone. They have worked tireless on the back end to make sure that this sale actually ends up happening during the holidays for you guys, yeah? I see all of you guys with your phones out, with your cameras out, with everything, so please help us to share this. Spread the knowledge. Tell everyone about this. Make sure that you help us to tag at BBW Books, PH, on your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Please help us use the hashtag BBW Philippines 2024, as well as BBW. Anyone here watch Asia's Got Talent? Anyone? Asia's Got Talent? Yeah. So you guys have Minute Out royalty here for Asia's Got Talent, okay? So, Asia's Got Talent grand finalist, Neil, come on buddy, alright? Why don't you kick us off, okay? Hype us up, alright?
Wow.
Alright, here we go. Give him a big round of applause, guys, alright?
Hi guys, my name is Neil Lianes, or you can call me Neil. I am a Talentadong Pinoy Grand Champion and Asia's Got Talent Grand Finalist Season 2. So my act or my talent is human beatboxing. Check this out.
Wow! Amazing!
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for having us here again. Like we mentioned earlier on, it's going to be the final tour for Prepare Wolf in the city. We started with CDO and we're ending with CDO. The difference is basically we have new books, new titles, right? We really hope that we can take this opportunity to see what we have. Again, thank you. Without your support, we wouldn't be here, right? Also, thank you with our partners, SAHM, CDO Downtown, Metro Bank, as well as Tugo. Without them as well, it's impossible for us to achieve or to be here. Our project director, Lei, to say some words as well.
Merry Christmas, Cagayan!
Yeah!
So nice to be back. Nice to see familiar faces. So many of you, I saw you last February during our press con and during our event. Like what Bernard says, ang saya na nagbukas ang 2024 with Cagayan and now we're closing 2024 with Cagayan. This is the first time na pumunta si BBW in one city in 1 year.
Yeah.
So, Cagayan, you should feel very special and very loved. Kasi kayo lang yung binalikan namin in the same year.
Yes.
And get, if you see in the social media, there's one comment like, uy, 2 beses na sila nag-Cagayan. Paano naman kami? Diba? So, we really hope that you'll support us, love us, like, kung gaano nyo kami sinuport last February. Again, we always say this, we cannot and wouldn't be able to do this without each and every one of you, your love and your support. So please, invite your friends, invite your family. books for you guys. This time is very special also because last May, we launched our 1 million new readers campaign that started in Parkal, and it's just right that we also launch it here in CDO. So please help us attain our mission of changing the world one book at a time by having 1 million new readers for 2024. I know and I hope that Cagayan will support us. Tama ba?
Yes!
Okay, thank you so much. Sabi nga nila, diba, the second time is always the lovelier. So let's see how much support will Cagayan give us this time. Hope to see you in the next coming days. Me and Bernard will be here for a few days. So if you come by, just say hi. And advance Merry Christmas,
Woohoo!
Cagayan!
Yay!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.